Here we are today, Woodcraft Manningham. We do wood carving, wood turning and box making, and we meet during the week. You'll see more information on our website. Here we go through the front door, and there is a library here of lots of current magazines and books. As we come in, here we are in the entranceway with again storage of timber, some workbenches and a little mini lathe there. Here we go down. Today we're set up for wood carving, so we can't see all the lathes, but here's more of the lathes here. And it's a fairly small workshop, but we have everything here. We can see a bandsaw, a drop saw. There's a router table hiding underneath there, sanding machine, buzzer, thicknesser, and a sanding machine. There's also a saw stop table saw. Here we go. You can see down the workshop now. There's a full dust collection system. And here we go. Let's have a look what people are doing today. And it looks like we've got a spoon being made here today. Let's have a look at the spoon. Ah yes, there's the spoon. And on this bench here, it is an owl being made. And I think there's a pelican over here. Say hello, Mr. Pelican. Oh, here we go, there's a pelican. And this is an example of someone's nice chisel set which they have here. Oh, here's a ballerina here. She's got her back to her. And that is the ballerina there, and another work set of chisels. If you're interested to come along, have a look at our link. All you need to do is Google Woodcraft Manningham. I'll also add the link to the bottom on the show notes.